Welcome to the American manufacturing journey. This is the living history of KitchenCraft and Lustercraft cookware, a celebration of the American dream coming to life.
Thank you, from our family to yours, for you investing in America and buying American-made cookware. Today we're going to take you on a very special journey. We're going to take you from the iron ore mills in Pennsylvania all the way to our factory in Wisconsin, in West Bend, where we make the world's finest cookware. Today we'll identify over 9,000 people who have a job because you bought American. We all graciously appreciate it, and we want you to sit back and enjoy the journey.
Since 1906, we have made high-quality, waterless and greaseless cookware in West Bend, Wisconsin, and we're committed to keeping it that way. Millions of people have welcomed KitchenCraft and Lustercraft into their homes since we opened our doors well over a century ago. And just as many wonderful meals have been prepared and shared over the decades. Our cookware has been handed down from mothers to daughters, grandfathers to grandsons, and between friends. But the creation of our cookware doesn't start and end at our factory. Over 9,000 families have jobs because Americans are investing in American-made products.
Because you bought American, I have a job. Thank you.
Because you bought American, I have a job. Thank you.
Because you bought American, we have a job. Thank you.
Because you bought American, I have a job. Thank you.
Because you bought American, I have a job. Thank you.
Because you bought American, we have a job. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, America.
It may be hard to imagine that our stunning cookware starts out in a massive steel mill as red-hot metal emerging from giant furnaces. Liquid metal to be shaped into workable forms and eventually transformed into high-quality surgical stainless steel cookware. This story of hot metal and cold steel is fascinating from start to finish, especially when seen through the experienced eyes of Allegheny Steel. Based just 10 miles from Pittsburgh in Indianola, Pennsylvania, Allegheny was founded in 1938 and today is one of the largest producers of stainless steel in the world. But our tale actually begins even earlier with a blast as rock explodes and the raw materials of steel are tossed from the earth. This is crude iron ore. The U.S. has a long and dangerous history of iron ore mining, which is tied directly to the production and evolution of our cookware. 2,700-degree blast furnaces work to change the primary elements of iron ore to raw iron. This molten brew goes into giant containers, which are moved to the basic oxygen shop, where iron will be turned into steel. High-purity oxygen is blown into the mix at supersonic speeds, and molten iron becomes molten steel. The molten steel, now at 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, is transferred to a caster where it cools to a solid. The shape of the mold determines the shape of the semi-finished products. For our cookware, we require slabs typically 8 to 9 inches thick and 3 to 5 feet wide. Today we have lighter, harder, more formable steels which were unheard of just a few short years ago. These coils are then shipped to our next stop in Attleboro, Massachusetts, where our partner here in the production of our cookware enjoys a long and fascinating history in our American manufacturing adventure. Almost 100 years ago, the company that would become Engineered Materials Solution was born. Welcome to EMS. This is the place where our KitchenCraft and Lustercraft cookware starts to take form through two remarkable processes called hot bonding and cold bonding.
EMS is about 100 years old, and this area is rich in metal processing. It was a center of button manufacturing back in the 1860s and 70s. This business grew out of that metal history. We started as a clad metal producer in the early 19-teens time frame.
EMS has had many milestones along the way, including an impressive project they completed for the U.S. Treasury Department.
What we did in the 1960s is we started with the United States government developing U.S. coinage, and that very coinage that we use today was developed here in this facility.
EMS's state-of-the-art facility is immaculately clean and is run by a team of dedicated professionals.
The typical person here at EMS is industrious. They have pride in the products that are being made here.
Hi, I'm Longo Santos. I've been working here for 50 years. Because you buy American, our company's really booming. Thank you.
I'm Fernando Gomes from Maribor. You buy American, I have a job.
Hi, my name is Gilson Samido. Because you buy American, I just got a job. Thank you.
We're standing in front of our cleaning operation. The first operation prior to bonding is to take raw material and to remove any kind of contamination that would affect the bonding.
Various stages of wet cleaning using acid and alkaline rinses clean all the material prior to bonding.
The quality requirements that EMS needs to meet for KitchenCraft are stringent. This type of cookware is well known, it's high-end cookware, and it lasts forever.
KitchenCraft and Lustercraft cookware started with a single-ply version in 1906. With the discovery of metal cladding, our cookware went to 3-ply, and we didn't stop there. Today, over a century later, EMS has perfected a way of cladding 7 different metals together, creating the most even heat conductivity imaginable, and resulting in the finest thermal core cooking system in the world.
There's some cookware out there that's 50, 60 years old, and when we mention that to people here at EMS, they really stop and think twice about what they're doing every day.
This is the center of our operation. This is what we call cold bonding. It's the heart of our business, and it's why we survive today. We take raw material, copper, stainless steel, carbon steel. After it's been cleaned, we bring it here, and in coil form, we run those coils into the mill housing. The material is then squeezed together up to about 2 million pounds of force to get those metals to stick together. We start with anywhere from 2 to 4 layers on the entry side of the mill. We then run those different layers up to the mill, and after squeezing those 2 to 4 layers together, on the exit side here, we have one multi-layer laminate. And that's what's coiled up here, and that really is a cold bonded product at that point. From there, the material then goes to finishing steps.
We take a lot of pride in knowing that this one product that we make, there's many jobs affected by it. It goes back to our raw material suppliers who are based in the U.S., all of the supplies that we need to manufacture this material, the people who work here, and then some of the equipment manufacturers that have helped us ramp up to make this cookware.
Hot bonding happens at 1800 degrees in a protected environment. Hydrogen and nitrogen are required for the process. They are burnt off harmlessly into the atmosphere.
After we join the metals together, we go through what we call finishing operations. Those operations get the clad material into a final form. Many of our customers would then take that metal at that point and do their own forming into cookware or some other type of material. This operation produces discs, and the importance of this to our customer is it allows us to do more value add for our cookware customers. We take the clad product, and after finishing it, we bring it to this area, and we will be stamping the material into discs.
Now begins our challenge to transform these shapes, piece by piece, into a whole collection of beautiful cookware. We'll see this entire process later. Just outside of St. Louis, Missouri, in the little town of Sunset Hills, is where the heat-resistant knobs and finger protectors for our cookware are created, along with the base of our gourmet cooker.
Since 1971, Mack Molding has been serving the plastics industry here in the nation with quality products, dependable service, and competitive pricing, and lots of happy people. Let's go take a look.
Over half of the Mack Molding Company team has 30 years of experience in the industry, with the expertise to produce the highest quality parts from virtually all types of tooling. This is truly one of our American-made success stories.
I think American-made is very important for us and our country, that we are here to be able to manufacture, keep jobs in America, and produce a lot better products.
Hi, I'm Teresa. I've been working here for 41 years.
We appreciate everybody that buys American to keep us our jobs, and I've been doing this for 35 plus years. Thank you very much.
My name is Shirley. I've been here for over 40 years, and because you bought American, I have a job here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Deb. I've been here 38 years, and because you buy American, I have a job. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sandy. I've been here 36 years, and because you bought American, I have a job.
Hi, I'm Kim. I've been here for 34 years, and because you bought American, I have a job.
I had a job for 33 years because you bought American. Thank you very much.
Because of all you fine people that have bought American, I've had a job for 28 years. Thank you very much.
The raw material is cylindrical segments of space-age polymer, which powerful presses transform into plates and knobs for the lids of our cookware. It's a slightly different story for the gourmet cooker base.
This here in my left hand is the raw material where we start from, and through the injection molding process on the machine behind me, we are producing these fine-looking parts.
About 500 miles north of St. Louis is the little town of Manitowoc, Wisconsin. There we find another company that also makes high-quality handles for our cookware. Introducing MCM Composites.
Creators of precision thermostat plastic parts, MCM Composites was founded back in 1983 with only a few products, but today they actively produce over 1,000 parts for their customers in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and even China. Isn't it wonderful that we can actually sell something to China for a change? Let's go take a look inside.
Hi, I'm Mike, president of MCM Composites, and because you bought American, we have 65 people employed here with good jobs and good benefits. Thank you for buying American very much. We specialize in a small segment of the plastics market called thermoset plastics. It's a highly engineered plastic composite that's used for special applications, one of which is cookware handles. A thermoset part is made with heat and pressure.
We go from this to this. My name is Kathy, and I've been at MCM for 31 years. And because you bought an American-made product, I still have a job. Thank you very much.
We're making handles for the finest cookware made in America. These are really high-end, high-quality handles that have a marvelous finish on them. Our mission in life is to make quality parts at a fair price, get them to you on time, and be part of the American manufacturing adventure.
Hi, my name is Judy. Because you bought American, I have a job.
Hi, I'm Richard. You bought American, so I have a job. Thank you.
Manufacturing is the background of what made this country successful, and it's shifted. It started to move overseas in Mexico, And that is going to change. And the key is that we can't have hurdles placed in front of us. We've got to knock those hurdles down. And we will become the most vibrant manufacturing country in the world.
Next, we're off to Logansport, Indiana to visit the home of Ameritech Manufacturing. These folks make the metal flame guards on our handles and the parts that secure the handle to the fan.
Ameritech's relationship with Kitchencraft and Lustercraft goes back quite some time, probably close to 30 years, that we've been making flame guards and weld nuts for their cookware.
The Ameritech name was established in 1991, but the company can trace its heritage all the way back to 1964. It's a family and veteran-owned organization that specializes in the manufacturing of metal parts for all areas of industry.
After a decorated military career which started at the young age of 17 and took him to the war in Iraq, Stephen Boyer joined his wife Deb and his father Joe in the family business.
It's important to let people know that we're family owned because I think that means that we can give them the personal attention that they need. We're not a large corporation that is just after the almighty dollar. American made means that American people work and they can provide a living for their family. American people working provides a tax base for our government that keeps our government strong.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
Hi, I'm Heather.
Hi, I'm Matt. Hi, I'm Andy. Because you buy American.
Because you bought American.
Since you bought American. Since you bought American. I have a job. Thank you.
I have a job. Thank you.
I've got a job. Thank you. And I have a job. Thank you.
Because you bought American, we have a job. Thank you, America.
Welcome to West Bend, Wisconsin, and the home of Kitchencraft and Lustercraft, where we look to the future and build on our success while embracing our past. Let's take a look now at the past, the present, and the future of tradition.
From our original factory in 1906, we have grown over the years. Today, we are proud of our state-of-the-art green certified facility. This is the place the world's best cookware comes to life. Cookware that has been part of the American family for well over 100 years. The faces have changed over the years, but our dedication and commitment to quality has never been stronger.
Our company is unique because we are a Christian family American group of people working together. My son has taken over all the manufacturing and is moving on with the heritage, and I'm very happy to say that even with all the changes in the economy, our business is growing. And the uniqueness comes from the fact that we pledge that it will be American made or it will not be, period.
It brings tears to my eyes when I talk to my people. They really put a bit of their soul into the products that they're making.
And taking care of our families and needs are one of our core competencies is play it forward, continuous improvement, and just making sure we have a product that lasts a lifetime. So everybody's very proud of what they do.
We started back in 1971 to present. I've been doing cookware now for over 44 years. I'm enjoying every minute of it, and you're getting the best quality cookware that I can make over them years.
I've been making cookware here for 36 years.
Hi, my name is Steven. I'm from West Bend, Wisconsin. I've been here for a little over a month, and I've got a job because you bought American. Thank you.
Today we're going to take a tour of the factory that makes our Kitchencraft and Lustercraft cookware. We're excited to show you the whole manufacturing process from the transformation from a circle of metal into a beautiful piece of cookware that you get to enjoy in your home today. The first step is we receive the metal from the mills out in Pennsylvania, and we have that here on the table today. And we're going to feed that circle into our oiler, put a light film of oil. and then put it into the draw press and form the shape.
Passing the pans through the press a second time, we create our patented water seal.
The fourth step in the process is we're going to trim off the pan to make it perfectly round, and the metal gets recycled for the next piece of cookware. These are the three steps you just saw that transforms the metal into waterless cookware. Draw, set down with the water seal, which is critical to the waterless feature, and the trim of the product.
Our next operation is to start the finishing process by first belt sanding the sidewall, and then the edge of each piece of cookware. Each item is inspected carefully before being fed into our industrial washer to remove any manufacturing oils.
We are now making covers. So the first press is, again, putting a light film of oil onto the blank, and they're going to feed it in the draw press, draw the shape, and then they're going to trim it perfectly round.
Quality control is all important and is strictly monitored throughout the entire production process. Here we are checking the height of the pot and the vapor seal, the water seal diameter, and finally ensuring a perfectly flat bottom. The next operation involves curling the edge of the cover to match up with the water seal in the pan. And then we will weld a stud which will later accept the knob for the cover.
We're going to show you the two covers that we just produced. The first operation is we put the curl on, and that is crucial to the fit for your water seal. The second operation is we welded this cover stud on, which will accept the knob later in the process.
Speaking of knobs, let's see how they come together.
Hi, I'm Janet. I'm from West Bend, Wisconsin. I've been making cookware here for 10 years. And because you bought our cookware, I have a job. Thank you for buying American.
Hi, my name is Martina and I'm from West Bend, Wisconsin.
Hi, and I'm Sue from West Bend, Wisconsin.
Because you bought American, we have a job. Thank you.
Skilled hands assemble our famous gourmet cooker electric bases. Quality checks are always done. Only perfectly calibrated units are allowed to move on.
Hi, I'm Greg from West Bend, Wisconsin. Because you bought American-made kitchen craft or Lester Craft cookware, I have a job, so thank you.
dozen custom-designed machine tools concisely polish and grind, sand and buff exterior surfaces of pans and pots, creating the attractive mirror-like exterior that has become the signature of our cookware.
When you look at buffing, basically what you're doing is you're going rough to smooth to shiny. So, from the beginning, we start with this, and we end it with this.
Each piece is carefully inspected before moving on.
Well, I've been doing this type of work on machinery for 43 years. When you look through this plant, you'll see that there's no robots, that it's all people inspecting. And inspecting is such an important thing with this whole process, because in order to take the pride and to put it into the quality of what we make here, you can't have a machine doing that.
In the quality control checks, so we make sure every piece is absolutely perfect. We're constantly training our people in the latest techniques to produce cookware.
And they are genuinely upset if something unperfect reaches a house. And at our last count, I think our quarterly average for this year in defects was 0.0016.
We are continually striving to make our cookware better. New designs and new applications are always in the works.
Hello, I'm Ed from West Bend, Wisconsin. I've been working in the cookware division for 47 years, and because of you, I have a job made in America.
What I love the most is probably the fact that I sleep well at night knowing I produce a product that will be bought once. It's bought in America. I mean, I truly feel good about red, white, blue, and green. I think the greenest part about what we make is the fact that you're buying it once, and our cookware will never, ever end up in a landfill.
We use no hazardous materials in the manufacturing of cookware. The green manufacturing to us means we recycle everything possible, which includes steel, cardboard, plastic shrink wrap, buffing wheels. Anything that we can recycle, we find a source and do that.
Okay, so we've seen the cookware get formed from our draw presses and set down and trim presses, finished on the inside, finished on the outside. Now it's time to assemble the pan.
The first step is to weld the handle fittings into place. Our trademark is laser engraved on the cookware's jewel-like exterior. It's our mark of excellence and each owner's guarantee of authenticity. Next, a specialized machine levels the bottom so our cookware will remain flat on your stovetop surface forever. The concavity of each pan is checked many times as well. A quick buffing, and now all is ready for the attachment of the handles. Long-lasting, heat-resistant handles are an integral part of our cookware's lifetime warranty. After final polishing and buffing, all surfaces of each piece undergo a rigid white glove inspection before being wrapped and sent to shipping. Nothing leaves our factory unless it lives up to our high quality standards. Skilled workers perform quality checks throughout the manufacturing process to assure every item meets our stringent requirements. It's that attention to detail that makes our cookware special. Custom designed packaging keeps our cookware in pristine condition during shipping, ready to be opened by happy customers everywhere. Using state-of-the-art computer programming, large quantities of cookware are stored and moved quickly and efficiently. Our boxes are even made in the U.S. at Green Bay Packaging in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Since 1933, they have been building a better box. They started here in Green Bay, but they now have 28 locations across the U.S. and Mexico with thousands of dedicated employees. Next stop, Florida. Let's drop in on our friends working behind the scenes. This is the place where customer service excellence was invented.
As you've seen, our cookware is made up in West Bend, Wisconsin, but the corporate office is right here in sunny Central Florida in a little town called Mount Dora. Let's take a look inside and meet our support staff.
Our well-deserved reputation is earned each day by our friendly service team. Whatever our customers need, we are here to help.
Great. Yes, you need new handles? Absolutely. I can get that taken care of for you right away. I love everything about my job. I love that everyone in the department is friendly and everyone gets along. I love working for a company that is completely American made. That's something to be very proud of. I like helping the customers with any of the needs that they have calling in. Sometimes they have issues with cooking. It could be that maybe their lid got stuck on with the vapor seal, and helping them get through and learning how to really utilize and enjoy their cookware to the full maximum capability of it.
The high-quality materials and unique production processes combine to create cookware that is built to last. We stand behind every item that leaves our factory. With over 100 years of expert craftsmanship, we make cookware you can depend on forever. Above all else, we're a family. Family members, friends, and neighbors work side by side at our factories, taking great pride in what they do. Our American workers are the heart of our country. Their experience and passion for making the best cookware in the world is what keeps us going.
Thank you for buying American. I really appreciate it.
My name is Dave Long. I've been making this cookware for 43 years. And because you bought it, I have a job and you have a great product, and I'd like to thank you for doing that.
Thank you from all of us to all of you for buying American and making a difference in the future of America for you and your family. We appreciate you immensely.